Hey, let's check out this NDS channel drain. This is a great option if you need to drain water away from a hardscape. I had a lot of water pooling up on my patio every time it rained, so I installed this channel drain. I tied it in with my gutter drainage system on the side of the house. The grates on top are very durable and they can be removed if you need to clean out your drain. This drain will connect to a 3 or 4 inch drain pipe. This drain can also be connected in tandem with another drain. You can cut it and there's an interlocking joint. There's also a knockout on the bottom, and you can also connect your pipe to the end of the drain like I did here. If you install this on a driveway, this is rated for medium duty traffic, so I would recommend it for residential use. This is rated for 75 gallons per minute, so it should keep up with most water loads around your house. I have had this installed for a couple of years now and it's held up very well. The design also looks nice and it is not intrusive to the look of my patio.